meal at Lagomarcino's with a beverage, or at least that's what we're going to call it. Mine is a cherry phosphate. And Joe, what did you get?
I got a chocolate soda.
You got a chocolate soda with ice cream. So we'll give those a test run here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try my cherry phosphate soda. It's super good. It's like one of the really old-fashioned soda shop kind of drinks. They actually mix it themselves. Super good. You can get all of the old style kind of drinks like the Green River where it's got a little bit of lime in there. Those are fun, but I thought I'd do this one just as a different thing because I hadn't had it in a very long time. Super, super good. Joe got the chocolate soda. So you want to give that a test drive and tell me what you think about it?
Yeah. Really good.
Yeah.
A good chocolate syrup, the soda water, vanilla ice cream. Ends up being very creamy, chocolatey, everything you would hope for in a chocolate soda. Check this out. See how good that looks?
Mm-hmm. Looks good to me. That would give me brain freeze.
And I always kind of like to mix it up a little bit.
Well, you got a lot of the chocolate syrupy stuff in the bottom.
Exactly.
So it's kind of a necessity.
So it's kind of like a chocolate shake, but it's kind of like a soda. It's just darn good, that's what it is.
I almost completely forgot to do video of this. So shame on me, the food arrived and I got excited, I guess. But I got a grilled cheese sandwich and it come with a couple little pieces of pickle. But it is $3.75 and Joe got the Reuben and it's $6.75. How do you like your Reuben?
Reuben's super good. It's nicely sliced corned beef, about the right amount of the sauerkraut, a little bit of the Thousand Island dressing on there. We got the Miss Vicky's sea salt chips to go with it. Just sounded good.
Nice.
And this on Reuben is on a homemade bread, so that's super good.
Mine's the grilled cheese. It's $3.75. It is also homemade bread and super, super good. I actually started eating before I started filming because I forgot. So that tells you how good it is because I kept on eating. Definitely, definitely good. I got a caramel crunch sundae. The pecans have some sort of a crunchy brown sugar on it, and then it has whipped cream and a cherry. And Joe got, what did you, Mississippi Mud? Is that what it's called?
Mississippi Mud or Mississippi Marble? I forget
Mississippi
the name.
Marble, maybe. That sounds right.
This is actually a chocolate mocha. So it's got a coffee component to it. And then, of course, we got the good homemade warm chocolate fudge.
Nice. Well, give it a test drive.
All right. Yeah, this one's a winner. I would totally do this one again.
Good.
And it does have that chocolate mocha flavor to it. And after I get a little bit of room here, I'm going to put some of that hot fudge on there and see what I think.
All right.
Might be a little messy.
Awesome. Neatness counts.
That's right. So far I've passed the course, but it's only the first lesson.
Mm-hmm. It'll be on his shirt before he's done.
It will be. Very good. And if you want to peel the cherry off of there, you can have that for yours.
I will steal it. Oop, I can't do it looking through a camera, though. Interesting. Alright, so I got the caramel crunch, I think is what it was called. It's vanilla ice cream, and then it has the pecan pieces that have like a almost like a toffee kind of finish to it with brown sugar and stuff, and then they kind of toast it up so it gives it a nice crunch to it. With a little bit of caramel sauce and whipped cream and of course a cherry. Joe's already made a mess with his. Well, let's hope I don't. Their homemade ice cream is so incredible. It's definitely next level. This isn't something like what you're going to purchase at the store. This is phenomenal. This has like 2 scoops of the homemade vanilla, and then this pecan crunch with some caramel sauce on it, whipped cream and a cherry. Amazing, amazing. Way better than anything you will buy in a store by far. Amazing. So that was super good. Coming here to Lagomarcino's in Moline, Illinois. It is just right beside the river, just about what, probably a half a mile from the river?
Yeah.
About a half a mile from the river. So super awesome place. This place has been in business since 1908.
I believe so.
It's a soda fountain shop, ice cream place. They make their own candies. I mean, that ice cream was smooth. Like,
yeah, you don't get
kind
any...
of dense, but not heavy. But just, that's the smoothest ice cream I've ever had.
Yeah, you don't get any of the, like, ice crystals like you get in some cheaper ice cream. You don't get any weird texture. Just really well done.
Super good. The food was good. The ice cream was great, for sure. And we really enjoyed it, so we'll definitely be coming back here. Absolutely. Lagomarcino's, Moline, Illinois.
Totally worth the road trip.
Absolutely. Totally worth it. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and like and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. And also please check out some of our other great videos that we have on the Disney parks, the rides, the resorts, the resort rooms, Skyliner rides, car shows. There's so many different great videos that I think that you'll really enjoy. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much.